decision to come to New Zealand was based on the kids, giving them a different life than what we were used to in Samoa.
I thought to myself, okay, wait a minute. If I choose to go that same path that my fathers and my uncles and my older brothers and my friends and my cousins, I mean, what am I going to reap? What reward will I be reaping in the future?
If there was one thing that Samoa was poverty to, it would be opportunities.
We had no idea of what to expect. We thought, let's raise our kids up into a different environment, not the way or the life we had in Samoa.
I wasn't going to be an anthropologist who happened to be Samoan, that I was going to be a Samoan who happened to be an anthropologist.
We have the saying in Samoa, "E le tufa maunga seshi." No one stands alone as a mountain.
That was probably a pinnacle point for me growing up. It was like knowing I could help my mum finally.
We shone the light on racism in this country 50 years ago. And so we made New Zealand aware of who we were, that we weren't going to just be pushed around.
I looked to God and I said, okay, this is it for me. This is how bad and how, useless I am.